My trip to the dentist. Hi Daniel, how you doing, buddy? I'm gonna need looking around there. Oh, you seem to have a cavity. Feel better? And now for our halftime show. Let's film this dude going into his coffin. He seems to not want to go into his coffin. I think I'm gonna have to stick you in your coffin, little zombie. Get in there! Get off! End the video show.